Today we're going to take a look on how to add a lead and edit a lead in a Max Pro system. The dashboard is where you actually log in and land. On the beginning, when you log into the IDX control panel, we're going to go ahead and go over here to the left-hand side, and we are going to click on Add New. We're just going to create a fake lead since we're doing this internally. And all these other things here you can, of course, add, but we're not going to add. I've already used this email address, so we're going to have to try a new one. Okay, and we can see here that the lead is here in the system, and I'm just going to grab the email address here, and we go over to the lead list and we search for this lead. It will also show up here as well. We're going to go ahead and click on the name of the lead here to get back inside of the lead. And I'm going to show you some of the places that you can edit it here. Obviously, the screen that we began on is right here under the edit button. We can create a tag here that says hello. The tagging system will create any tag that you name. There are also about 35 industry standard tags that are in there as well. You can create a task in here for any client. You can see that these are all the upcoming tasks that we have for the entire company right now. And we want to make this person attempted contact because we've tried to call them. Let's go over here into subscriptions and make sure that they are on the general follow-up campaign. And we also want to put them on a market. And let's just go ahead and put them on Roseville, California. And we'll put them on the listing report, the open homes report, and the market report. And that is how you add a lead and edit a lead inside of the IDX control panel.